Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on saves on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do is just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to a next window here or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for your window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window and you just click here on notifications, then you come to a notifications window and you just click here on Pinterest, then it's going to take you to a next window here and you just come here to activity from people you follow, then you just click here on saves and like you say saves this color show for us here in saves. That's mean it's on to activity from people you follow. So that's all now. I wish you know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.